The railway between Taunton and Reading is known as the Berks and Hants. It should really be called the Berks, Wilts and Somerset, because the line doesn't run through the county of Hampshire at all. In fact, the closest it gets is a mile and a half away at Thatcham in Berkshire. Our train is formed of a pair of 5-car Class 802 bi-mode multiple units coupled together. However, west of Exeter remained solely broad gauge until May 1892, when an army of workmen descended onto the track and altered the gauge all the way to Penzance over just one weekend. This amazing feat was enabled after months of planning had seen the transoms connecting the bulk longitudinal timbers pre-cut, ready to be moved. We're now on the route known as the Berks and Hants, an amalgamation of various lines built by different companies in the 19th century, combined at the beginning of the 20th. Not inconsiderable earthworks were required to swing the line via Somerton, as can be seen along here. A branch line from Lambourne trailed from the north just here, nowadays obliterated by new housing. It was opened by the Lambourne Valley Railway in 1898 and absorbed by the GWR 7 years later. Newbury is the start of the overhead catenary. The station shows us the standard platform loop layout still serving its original function, allowing express trains to pass through unhindered. There was so much concern that it would collapse, the wooden supports used in its construction were left in place. When a heavy storm blew them down, the bridge remained, vindicating IK's design. Although first opened in 1859 and rebuilt in 1884, it was the last London steamshed on the Western region when it closed in 1965. Since that time, it's been the Southall Railway Centre, home of the Great Western Railway Preservation Group. Others We get the route indicator for platform 1. The GWR's original terminus lay straight ahead. In 1854, Brunel opened a much grander station alongside, at which time the original...